Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK and Pilgrim MotorSports. Again, another rare Mustang for you. Really one of the most rarest, to be truthful. This is a big block convertible. Yes, it's got the 390 engine in it, the 6.4. Awesome size engine car. I mean, can you imagine just driving one of these? Is great enough fun as it is, just having a convertible on a beautiful day, roof down, picnic in the back, but to have one that's got the big engine in it as well that sounds just gorgeous. And it is from new. This is a proper S-code convertible. S-code being the 390, 1968. So you can imagine this car when it came off the line, driving down California Beach with a few people in the car having a bit of fun with that big burble of that engine going on. Just beautiful. Of course, it has to be in red, doesn't it? Absolutely, red with the white roof. Just fantastic. Some nice extras, GT fog lights, as you can see on the front here. And then a wheel that I haven't seen before, which is this beautiful wheel, as you can see here. Come and have a look. All new tyres have been put on from us because the tyres that had been on there were very old. So we've had new white band tyres put on, and you can see these beautiful bolt-on wire wheels, and they are metal. They're not plastic, they are the real deal. So a very rare wheel, we've never seen them before, so I'd imagine they were bought in America at some stage, but really setting the car off, especially with these little chrome edges on the car as well. But as you can see, beautiful car, nice and straight, all the way down. We were lucky enough to buy this car. It hasn't gone through our workshops yet, so there are still a few bits and pieces we need to do, especially with the interior. So as you can see, all the way down the side, beautiful, 68, so you can see it's got the reflectors here and in the front as well. So let's have a look at the interior and we'll show you what we've got going on in there. So the interior on this car is in very good condition, but not quite good enough for the quality of the car. So what we've decided, as you can see here, it looks like Father Christmas has arrived early, but we've got all the interior trim to renew it. If you have a look at this, it's a true 68 interior, and you've got the head restraints on as well, which was obviously part of the 68 package. But basically, all the interior is great, as you can see, but the foams have gone a little bit over the years. So we put new foams in, we put new seat covers in, it'll have new carpets, and I'm sure there's other bits and pieces that we'll end up doing. So you can imagine when this is done, it will just be as mint as the rest of the car. I mean, again, most people would sell them like this, but unfortunately we go to the nth degree, so we want to make it absolutely right. So when that interior is done, we're very proud of the interior as well as the exterior. But as you can see, it's still got all the originality to it, all the dashboard, original dashboard, no cracks from the sun or anything like this, all the glove box. It's got a radio with a cassette, there you go, for those who understand what a cassette looks like, but it's original. Again, all the dash clocks, etc., all as they should be for the 68 model. This is a steering wheel that's been put on at some point, the Woodrim Steering Wheel. It would have had a much bigger plastic steering wheel originally, but of course most people don't particularly like that. So someone's changed it to this. Again, when it comes to steering wheels and things like that, if you decide you want that or you want a black one, red one, whatever you want, we can change them for you at no extra cost. At the end of the day, anything you don't like with the car, we can always change. We like to bespoke them so you get exactly what you want. So when you're pulling it off your driveway and going for a run, you can be as proud of it as possible. So, as I said, big block. Let's have a look, see what's under the bonnet. I know many of you have already guessed because I've told you it's the big block, but have a look at this. Again, huge piece of metal sitting in this engine. 6.4 litre power. This really is muscle car. I mean, a lot of people won't realise that they even made these S-codes in convertible. I should imagine if you went to a car show, you might see 20 or 30 convertibles if you're lucky. I doubt if any one of them will be an S-code. This being an S-code is something really special. And the only way of really finding out this S-code is it's got a little sign on the front of it. But if you don't tell anyone, nor will I. But the power of this car is quite exceptional. But, I mean, again, it came as an S-code, so it did have disc brakes, power disc brakes. You can see the servo sitting there. It had power steering as well. It's got power roof. So it had all those extras and many others. But this is a huge engine car and just something to be really proud of. A real rare car. So when someone wants a convertible Mustang, an S-code, it's very, very rare and a great car to have. As I say, it's just come in. So we haven't done all our work on the car yet, but that'll be undergoing over the next few days. But if you want something to really show off to everyone, that's it. This is muscle car, real muscle car. Doesn't get much better than driving a Mustang big block convertible on a day like today. Beautiful day. Got the heater on, got the collar done up, but just absolutely gorgeous. Just drives fabulous. It's got sheer power, you know, that these desk codes give you. You know, 390 6.4 engine in a convertible. You can have 4 up and just drive anywhere you want, and it just plod along nice and easily. Just a great car, and a very rare car. That's the thing, you know, not many people realise that the big blocks were put into a convertible. You know, you've seen the big blocks in the fastbacks and things like this, but this is actually a very rare car in itself. There can't be very many in the UK that with a big block